Alright, so I feel like there's an easier way to do this, but I also don't think there is. So today we're going to make a spicy Thai chicken pizza on a cauliflower crust. We've got a lot of chopping to do, more or less, but let's start with all of our veggies. So I'm sure there's a way to make chili sauce, but something about using maple just works. We are going to obviously use fresh veggies. So I got a jalapeno, I got some red onion, I have some cilantro that we'll put on this. We'll top it with some green onion. And then obviously I'm gonna dice some leftover grilled chicken that I have. And then we're gonna make a hot honey to go over it once it's all done. Let's start cutting our veggies. Okay, so I sliced up my jalapeno and I just did rings. And then we're gonna do some sliced red onion, and I'm gonna do about a quarter cup's worth of sliced red onion. And I want to kind of do them thinly sliced. And honestly, I think the other reason why I'm just using maple is because until I find a decent Thai grocery store, or without having to travel like 50 miles to the nearest international grocery store, I can never seem to find Thai chilies anyway. So, maple it is. Maybe some other time I'll make another pizza with making a homemade one, but for now, maple it is. So we're gonna chop some green onion. Now I got some leftover chicken thighs. All right, so we got our chicken, we got our red onion, we have our sauce, we have our green onion, we have our jalapenos, we have our cheese, and I'll make my hot honey once the pizza's done. But let's go ahead and assemble this bad puppy. So I have my crust here, I have my maple. I think the other thing is, I also want to make sure that this doesn't burn really bad in the oven. I don't think it will, because I did a barbecue sauce in the oven, and so that didn't burn as bad, so I'm assuming that this probably won't burn either. But at least I can do it with this, not ruin a perfectly good homemade Thai sauce, and if this works, then I'll make it next time. Okay, then we'll add our chicken, then our jalapenos, okay, then our green onion. All right, and then lastly, all right, bam, to the pizza oven. Alright, so we got a little too close to the fire over here, but for the most part, we looking pretty good. So, I went ahead and made my hot honey, and again, same recipe, honey, a little bit of cider vinegar, some crushed red pepper flakes, and then some hot sauce. But we're gonna drizzle this over the pizza. This will mainly give it some added sweetness and some added heat. Probably more or less added sweetness. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of, we added a little bit of cilantro leaves to this. Now we're gonna add some green onion. Okay, and I went ahead and put some sesame seeds on here, but here we go. Let's try it out. All right, let's cut into this. All right. Mmm. Yes. Cheers. Well, that doesn't suck at all. So, with the sauce being nice and warm, it's kind of runny, so it's a little messy. It's a little on the messy side. But the jalapenos are cooked down wonderfully. Those onions, the red onions in particular, definitely add some nice contrasted texture, some crunch, because they're hot, but they still aren't quite cooked all the way through. Like, they're not soft, but they're soft enough that they're still, you can still bite through them without taking the whole onion with you, if that makes sense. And honestly, the cilantro leaves kind of help bring it all home. It's cilantro, but it's got kind of a freshness to it that helps with the heat, that helps with the sweet, kind of brings it all together. This is not bad at all. Well guys, there you have it, a spicy Thai chicken pizza on a cauliflower crust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one.